Hi kids, welcome back to Happie Homeschooling. Today we're going to dive into an amazing journey that every drop of water takes on our planet. It's called the water cycle. And guess what? We have some fun experiments you can try at home to see the water cycle in action. Let's get started. First, let's learn about the different stages of the water cycle. There are 4 main stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Evaporation. This is when the sun heats up water in rivers, lakes, or oceans and turns it into vapor or steam. The water vapor rises into the air. Condensation. As the water vapor rises, it cools and changes back into liquid droplets, forming clouds. Precipitation. When the clouds get heavy, the water falls back to earth as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Collection. The fallen water collects in bodies of water like rivers, lakes, and oceans. Some of it also soaks into the ground, replenishing groundwater supplies. And then the cycle starts all over again. Now let's create a cloud in a jar. Here's what you need: a jar with a lid, hot water ice cubes, hairspray. Pour some hot water into the jar, just enough to cover the bottom. Quickly spray a bit of hairspray into the jar. Immediately put the lid on and place some ice cubes on top of the lid. Watch what happens inside the jar. The hot water creates water vapor, and when it meets the cold lid, it condenses, forming a mini cloud inside the jar. Our next experiment is the water cycle in a bag. You'll need a clear plastic Ziploc bag, water blue food colouring, optional, a permanent marker tape. Fill the bag with a little bit of water and add a drop of blue food colouring. Seal the bag tightly and use the marker to draw a sun, clouds and waves on the bag. Tape the bag to a sunny window and leave it there for a few days. Over time, you'll see the water evaporate, condense on the sides of the bag and eventually form droplets that mimic precipitation. It's a mini water cycle right in your window. And there you have it. The water cycle is an incredible process that keeps our planet hydrated and thriving. Try these experiments at home and see the water cycle in action for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Happie Homeschooling for more fun and educational videos. See you next time, kids!